Good morning, South Dakota. It's a lovely, I don't know what time it is, 4 o'clock in the morning. Just got up, heading out, heading home. It's Monday. We should be home, I don't know, 11:30 at night. If all goes well, probably closer to 12. Not looking forward to this ride, but everything's gonna be all right. We did win last night. Got first place, so it makes it all worthwhile. Anyway, we're in South Dakota. I'll get you guys from Nebraska, Kansas, wherever I remember to turn you back on. What's up, guys? Figure I'd give you a little of the sunrise here. Not doing nothing else. Only got 16 and a half hours left of this ride. Just a bit down the road. Anyway, should be entering Nebraska soon. If I see it, I'll check in then. If not, this is your check-in. Can't beat that though, right? Look at the colors in that sky. Just amazing. Oh, thanks for riding along. I'll check in a little while, guys. What's up, guys? Leaving Nebraska. Thank God. What an awful state. And if you live there and you're offended by that, I don't care. Anyway, we're in Nebraska, home of Toto, you know, Wizard of Oz, Kansas. That's where I am. Shit. But anyway, got about 10 and a half hours to the house still. Don't mind me. I've been driving quite a while. So, this is Kansas. It's kind of nice. It's been raining all day, so it's kind of nice to get out of the rain for a little bit. But I'm going to keep getting at it. And I'll let you guys, I'll check in with you from Oklahoma. That'll be invigorating. Not. Alright. What's up, guys? Just entered Oklahoma. What time is it? It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Still won't be home till 11:30, 12 o'clock. Driving like 11 hours or so. But as you can see, this is Oklahoma. There ain't nothing to see here. They welcome you in by weighing you up. Not me, but the trucks. Welcome to Oklahoma, pulling the scale. Anyway. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna head. I gotta get some fuel and get something to eat, and then next I'll be heading into Texas. So I give you a shout out when I get to Texas. Hey, what's up, guys? Well, as you can see if you were paying attention, we are back in Texas. It is 8:25 at night. We still have 4 hours and 15 minutes to the house. I know, it seems incredible, right? For people who don't live in Texas, that we entered Texas on one side and we still have 4.5 hours to the house. But that's what we got, guys. And you can see it's nice out. It's like 81 degrees here. sun's not shining, but you know. So we're gonna head to the house. When we get there, I'll probably do a little video or something, but just wanted to check in. Thanks for riding along with me.